Hi, welcome back. Webinars for your coaching business. If you run any type of coaching business, using webinars can be the perfect tool for drumming up more business. When coaching people, it is important to have a place where you can both meet confidently and quietly. While you can use the traditional methods of using the phone, jumping on Skype or emailing, using a webinar room just adds a more professional and private aspect to your sessions. When choosing your webinar platform, ensure that it has all the features you need for your coaching calls. If you want to use slides or have the ability to share screens with your student, make sure you can do so. Not all webinar software can do this. Some are based more on audio than having a visual component to them. Using a webinar room provides you with that professional look regardless of how long you have been a coach. You can easily schedule one-on-one sessions or hold coaching calls for groups of people at one time. When setting up your webinar site, you have the ability to customize your emails, brand the look of your room, and more. This helps create a sense of security which many clients would like it. They are more likely to open up and talk more when they know there is no one else around. Another huge benefit of using a webinar room for coaching calls is that you can record them if necessary. Of course, be certain that your client is in favor of this as well. The ability to share your slides and teach your clients or students is another great benefit. It is often much easier to explain by showing someone instead of just writing out a long list of instructions. With some webinar platforms, you can share screens. This means that you can take control of your student's screen and show them step by step how to do something. If you offer a tutoring business, I think this is going to be immensely useful for all of you. Of course, webinars allow you to promote your services to a wider audience. You are not stuck with only coaching people in your local area. Depending upon your business, you could technically now coach people all over the world. Can you imagine what that could do for your business profits and reach? If you haven't tried using a webinar room for your coaching calls, then why not take that step today? Many platforms offer you a free test drive for 30 days. Yes, you heard it right. So you can test out the software before finally purchasing. Right? Isn't that interesting? Having said that, that brings us to the end of the topic for now. Let me remind you that you are born powerful and you are here to make a massive impact. Bye-bye. So if you think this small little advice was valuable, I invite you all to join my Level Up Club. Specially, I have developed this for aspiring and existing entrepreneurs. Here, you get free VIP access to premium load content, ebooks, sales and marketing techniques, online and offline closing techniques, mind hacks, powerful visualization techniques to improve your self-image, business case studies, and access to digital marketing tools and funnels, templates, cheat sheets, worksheets, and whatnot. All this has been designed keeping the starters in mind and to make your life much easier. So if you are someone who believes in continuously upgrading yourself and someone who is hungry for success in his business, irrespective of whatever industry you are in, this club is for you. Because at the end, it's sales that matter and it's sales that generates revenue for any business. So just click on the link below and quickly register free and get access to Level Up Club. This community is going to be locked very soon and will be available only to paid users going forward. So hurry up, act now, register, and let's meet up inside Level Up Club.